People found it interesting to know the fact that heat transfer sublimation printers can print on apparel and many other things in the way they want. So if you are going to start your business and looking for such printers, then the first thing you need to have is to select the best sublimation printer for heat transfer. We have made your work a lot easier for you, as we have spent a lot of our time finding and researching these below mentioned products for you.
We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2750 Printer. Epson EcoTank 2750 is the most favorite when it comes to sublimation, as it is great not only in terms of compatibility but also perfect for longevity. If you know how to use sublimation printer, then this printer makes very easy for printing. You will get everything within this printer which should be present in any professional sublimation printer, along with many exceptional features. ET2750 also enables you to print within the low operational costs, as it has ink tanks instead of ink cartridges that are easy to refill and will also save your money. It is a lightweighted printer having larger ink tanks present in the right corner of bottom, so it will be easier to move. You will get 1200 by 2400 pixel resolution display in EcoTank 2750. Although it is made from thin plastic, but it does not affect the closing mechanism of this printer. To keep you away from spilling ink on your printers while refilling it, Epson has taken a great initiative, as in the printer you will find 102 bottles having nozzles that are perfect fit for your tanks. All you have to do is just remove the lid from the chamber of every tank, then unscrew caps of bottles, and after inserting just wait for the tanks to get filled. Number 2. Epson Workforce 1100 Printer. Epson Workforce 1100 is one of the best printer for sublimation and heat transfer because of its smudged, fade and water-resistant prints. The printer is basically designed for everyday education-related project or to print business-related documents. I found its printing speed quite impressive, as you can easily print maximum of 30 black pages and 17.0 colored pages in a minute with this device. It's a laser-quality printer whose text-top speed is comparatively 2 times faster than inkjet printers. Epson Workforce 1100 has earned the name because of its higher quality and efficient performance. For taking high-quality prints on a large scale, you can rest assured on this. You can also use it to create your spreadsheets and brochure lies within the size of 13/8 19 inches. Another great thing about this printer is that it consumes 70% less power as compared to other laser printers. Because of its wider format, you can consider it a best heat transfer printer, and it also features a double-sided printing. Number 3. Lexmark MC3224 Printer. Lexmark MC3224 has the capability to perform multifunctions such as faxing, copying, and printing. Therefore, it wouldn't be wrong to say that it is an all-in-one printer that can be used for sublimation. The printer comes with excellent features that are only comfortable to use and gives efficient performance by providing you with high-quality printed images. Ethernet and USB 2.0 ports can easily be found on the rear of printer to connect it with your device. You can also opt for mobile printing because of Mopria, Apple AirPrint, and Lexmark mobile printing app. Lexmark MC3224 includes a touch LCD screen, so you will be able to modify and examine setting quickly. To keep your data safe, there is a full-spectrum security infrastructure integrated into this printer. It enables you to secure your documents that are saved either on your devices or over the network. Printing speed of almost 24 parts per million for single-sided printing and 13 pages per minute for duplex printing is quite a catch. Furthermore, you will also get the feature of energy-saving modes, so you can automatically switch between print and sleep modes. I would highly recommend you to go with Lexmark MC3224 if you are choosing a best sublimation printer for a beginner because of its ability to perform multifunctions. It will also be convenient for you to use in homes or for small business. Number 4. HP SuperTank Plus 551 Printer. To help you use your printer for multiple usages such as personal, domestic and business usage. HP has introduced their HP SuperTank Plus 551. With this HP printer for sublimation and heat transfer, you will have the feasibility to print over 8,000 colored print pages and 6,000 black print pages for almost 2 years. Printing quality is one of the most important factors which decides the credibility of your device, and SuperTank Plus 551 has made no compromise here, as it provides your printed images with crisp, clear and detailed quality. In the research, the most interesting thing I have found in its features is its ability to do color rendition on the plain papers. Many users enjoy to do colored printings from their laptops and mobile phones. To start up, you will be provided with the instruction manual so you can easily set up your printer. Apart from that, you can also install HP SuperTank, available in both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. You can install it either on your tablets, smartphones or laptop. With its auto-off technology, the device will turn off after 30 minutes of being inactive, which will not only save energy but also will save you utility bills, as this printer will use only that much of energy which is required. Number 5. Canon Pixma G5020 SuperTank Printer. Canon Pixma G5020 is a high-yielding inkjet printer that comes with the excellent performance. It is a fact that for heat transfer prints, one tends to print on the photo papers. Pixma G5020 enables such printing to be done on the higher speed. Black paper printing is usually a faster process than color printing, but if you want to choose an inkjet printer with higher speed for colored prints, you can go with Epson Stylus C88 Plus color printer. Everything about this sublimation printer is quite amazing, but there is one thing which can be better in its features. I found its dye-based colors ample for daily usage. Third-party cartridges are not a smart choice, as their thickness can lead to the blockage of your printer's head, causing prominent damages. However, the printer comes with a separate tank for every color, as you can guess by its name, EcoTank. With the ink bottles of G5020 you can get 6,000 printed pages of black text and 7,700 printed pages for colored text. You will get multiple connectivity options within this machine, such as inbuilt Wi-Fi. For budget buyers, Pixma G5020 will be a best sublimation printer for heat press that requires only few ink cartridges. Number 6. HP OfficeJet Pro 8035 Printer. HP Pro 8035 comes with a wide range of amazing features that makes your printing experience better. The sublimation printer enables you to print 20 pages black and 10 pages colored printers within a minute. This compact printer is 14% smaller in size comparatively to other printers. Automated dual printing is also an amazing addition in HP printers. It is a multifunction device, so you can also use it for faxing and scanning. HP Pro 8035 also includes a 2.7 inches capacitive CGD touchscreen that makes your work more convenient. With this, you will also be getting an ample ink supply which will let you print for almost 8 months. Getting to print 100 pages within a month will make your life more convenient. Also, if you are buying this for your business or business-related tasks, its digitizing feature will be a great help in accomplishing your task. Other than that, you can also use this printer for organizing your business receipts from your mobile phone or laptop. HP Pro 8035 is one of the best sublimation printer with fast speed and efficiency, which one must consider before buying a sublimation printer for heat transfer. Another amazing thing of this printer is its self-healing property, so there is no need to worry if your Wi-Fi connectivity gets lost. Number 7. Brother HLL2320D Mono Laser Printer. Brother is a well-known electronic products manufacturing company and has been working on the field since 1908. Brother HLL2320D is also one of their efficient multifunctional printer that can also be used for scanning, faxing and copying. Replacement of toner cartridges can be a costly process, especially when you are using your printer to print lots of documents with no break. However, Brother Mono Laser made this easier for you, as it is a time-saving and economical device that allows you to print up to 2,600 pages with just one cartridge. The resolution of 2400x600 resolution and the paper capacity of 250 sheets made this printer a perfect choice and a lifesaver for you to print your important documents that needs high-quality printings. To easily operate this printer, You can also use your smartphone or laptop, or you can also do paper customization to your prints with the help of your smartphones. This printer is a best choice to be used in offices for printing a bulk amount of documents, and beginners can also take advantage of this printer. To print documents for their reports or assignments, you can go with this one. Number 8. Canon Pixma X6820 Printer. Canon Pixma X6820 is a best sublimation printer for heat press, as it provides you with the exceptional quality heat transfer prints. It also has the capability to last for a longer time. This sublimation printer lately has been a most top-rated printer because of its exceptional features. The most attractive thing users have found in its features is its compatibility with several operating systems, so it will be easier for you to run on whichever OS you want. Another amazing feature in this Canon printer is the addition of fine printing technology. With this printing head technology, it has become a photolithography printer. There you will find 5 tanks for refilling different colors, which performs exceptionally well. You will get a document feeder with the capacity to feed 150 sheets at a time, along with the multiple connectivity options such as Ethernet, wireless and high-speed USB connectivity. Pixma X6820 is a premium quality printer which helps your business to grow, as it enables you to print as many documents as you want. Number 9. HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 Printer. With the HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 you will get amazing quality printer and feasibility to print maximum up to 8.5 by 11 inches images. Printing speed integrated in this printer is also quite impressive, enabling you to print 24 parts per million black pages and 20 parts per million for colorful pages. This perfectly sized cubic printer has no rounded and curved edges anywhere to be found. Its compact size is 39% smaller than many other printers of this range, so it will be easier for you to store and put it on your workspace. Printer features an automatic document feeder with the capacity of 35 pages, which can be used for faxing, scanning, and copying two-sided sheets without letting you flip the sheets. It is a great thing which will help you save your time. You will also be getting a 2.7-inch touchscreen within this printer, along with the control panel, and enabling you to set up your printer before printing. Next is the capacity of paper handling, which is again quite impressive, as you can smoothly handle 250 times 2 sheets with the dual tray. And for the output sheet capacity, you will get to print 100 sheet. There you will find a great flexibility in connectivity options, as you can connect your devices with the printers through Ethernet, USB, and Wi-Fi connectivity.